Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can set the image duration and CapCut special for PC. So it is super simple, very simple. So after you open the CapCut PC app, before you add the clip, so which is this for image or photos, not for videos. Alright, so go to menu and select settings. You can select edit and you can find the image duration option. So set the image duration that you like. For example, I'm going to type 5, which is 5 seconds for one clip, for one image, for one photo. Alright, so just click save and you can add the clip. And you can see this is 5 seconds for the duration. That's it. Add more. Okay, you can see one clip is 5 seconds. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.